Hello everyone, today in this video we will calculate how much concrete quantity is required for the given dimensions of a staircase. So here you can see the cross section at axis of a staircase and the plan of a staircase. So this is a plinth beam and this is a mid landing beam and this is a mid landing slab and this is a slab beam. So here this portion is called waist slab, which is of 150 mm. So here you can see the tread portion which is of 300 mm and this is the riser of 150 mm. These dimensions are same for these 10 steps. So here you can see the plan which is of 10 steps and this is a mid landing slab portion which is of this width is that 2000 mm and this width is 900 mm and the length is that 2000 mm. So now we will find the concrete quantity required for different various steps of a staircase. So first we will find for waist slab. So to find the for waist slab, here the waist slabs are of two numbers, this one and this is 2. Other side also there is case. So the length is that 3.354. How we got this 3.354? So here you can see the tread. So tread is of 300 mm and there is a 10 steps. So 300 into 10 we will get 3000 mm. So for the riser it is 150 mm. So 150 into and 10 steps. So we'll get 1500 mm. So as per Pythagoras theorem, here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So to find AC value, the length of the waist slab, so under root of 3000 whole square plus 1500 whole square, we'll get 3354 meters. So which is mm. So which is 3.354 meters. So here you can see the breadth which is of 1000 meters. So waist slab breadth is that 1000 mm which is 1 meter and the depth here you can see waist slab depth is 150 mm which is 0.5 meters. So after multiplication of this we will get 1.006 cubic meter. So for finding mid landing slab, so we have to find mid landing slab portion, this portion of how much concrete is required for this portion. So here you can see the length is that 1000 plus 1000 2000 and the breadth is that 900 mm, so 0.9 and the depth for here you can see 450 minus 300. Here the mid landing slab width is depth is that 150 mm, so 0.15. So after multiplication of 2 into 0.9 into 0.15 we will get 0.27 cubic meter. So now we have to find the concrete required for mid landing beam. So for this portion we have to find. So here you can see the length is the 2000 mm, so 2 into here you can see the width or breadth which is 300 mm, so 0.3 into here you can see the depth of the mid landing beam which is 450 mm, so 0.45. So after multiplication of this we will get 0.27 cubic meter is required for mid landing beam. Now we will find how much concrete quantity is required for steps. So there were number 10 steps at this side and another side is that another 10 steps. So here you can see another 10 steps. So the number of steps is 20. So here you can see this portion is like triangle. So triangle area is that half into L into B. So half into, so the riser is 0.15 into tread is that 0.3 meters. So half into 0.3 into 0.5 which we will get 0.0225. So this into 20 steps. So we will get 0.45 cubic meter is required. So after calculating this total cubic meter, we will get 1.9 which is approximately 2 cubic meters. So the rate for if we take rupees 5500 for 1 cubic meter, so for 2 cubic meter it will be an amount of rupees 11,000 is required for these dimensions of a staircase. So if you all like this video, please follow, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.